Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to include tags in your Whop link. First, log into your Whop account and navigate to the settings section to access payment settings. Then, in the payment settings, enable Whop payments which allow tax calculation for transactions. Next, add your business's tax details, including VAT or sales tax ID under the tax settings section. Ensure that the automatically calculated tax option is enabled so Whop handles tax based on location. When creating your product or service, confirm that the tax rate applies to each item listed in the checkout link. Now, generate the checkout link for the product or service by going to the Products section and selecting your items. Next, share the generated links with your customer for them to complete the purchase with tax included. Whop will automatically calculate it and add the relevant tax based on the customer's location at checkout. Then, regularly check your Whop dashboard for tax reports to ensure proper collection and compliance with local regulations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.